What is a coral polyp structure? Have you ever wondered what makes up the tiny creatures that build the magnificent coral reefs? Let's take a closer look at the structure of a coral polyp. A coral polyp is a small, soft-bodied marine animal and serves as the fundamental building block of coral reefs. Most reef-building corals consist of thousands to millions of these tiny polyps. Each polyp typically measures between 1 and 3 millimeters in diameter. At its core, a coral polyp has a simple shape resembling a tube or a sac. The main part of its body is a stomach filled with digestive filaments. This polyp has just one opening, known as the mouth, which is used for both taking in food and expelling waste. Surrounding the mouth is a ring of tentacles. These tentacles are essential for capturing food, clearing debris, and defending against predators. The outer layer of the polyp is called the epidermis. Beneath this layer, you will find special stinging cells known as nematocysts. These cells help the polyp catch tiny prey and protect itself from threats. The polyp's body consists of two main layers of cells, or epithelia. The surface body wall acts as a barrier to the outside world, while the basal body wall anchors the polyp to its skeleton. Reef-building polyps are remarkable because they produce a hard, protective structure by secreting calcium carbonate. This process forms a cup-shaped skeleton called a calyx, where the polyp resides. The bottom of this cup is referred to as the basal plate, and the walls surrounding it are called the theca. The skeleton of an individual polyp is known as a corallite. When many polyps live together in a colony, their skeletons connect through horizontal plates and structures called the copnostum. Some polyps also have a thin extra layer of skeleton around the wall, known as the upotheca. Within a colony, polyps are linked by a thin band of living tissue called the copnussock. This connection allows them to share nutrients and communicate with one another. Coral polyps play a vital role in ocean ecosystems. Their hard skeletons provide shelter and habitat for numerous marine species. The polyps themselves feed on plankton, helping to keep the water clean and supporting the growth of coral reefs, which are among the most diverse habitats in the ocean. Understanding the structure of coral polyps is essential for species identification and conservation efforts. By recognizing how polyps function, scientists can monitor reef health, understand coral diseases, and protect these important marine animals and their habitats. Knowing polyp anatomy helps conservationists identify different coral species and assess the condition of coral reefs.